Let's talk about China and the United States first, and then we can come back to semiconductors. What, if anything, does this decision on Qualcomm and Broadcom tell us about deterrence in the future of Chinese investment in the United States?
Yeah, I think it's highly likely that we'll continue to see similar activity from the Trump administration. The activity already started in the Obama administration with extra scrutiny on deals with Chinese buyers, and I think that's only going to continue. So I don't see that trend abating. I think, if anything, it'll become the U.S. will become more aggressive in blocking deals with Chinese buyers.
And is that affecting yet the M&A business as a practical matter? I mean, are you hearing less interest at this point of Chinese investors coming in and buying U.S. companies?
Not really, and I don't think overall it will affect M&A. Generally what happens is if you're out in the market selling a business and a Chinese buyer happens to offer the highest possible, the highest price, on the market, you are very happy as a seller to take that price. But there may likely be a price right behind that from a buyer in Europe or a buyer in the United States. So again, I don't think it slows down M&A activity on the part of U.S. sellers, and I think Chinese buyers are used to regulatory restrictions. In fact, there are some severe regulatory restrictions in China on the outflow of money from China into U.S. companies, and in fact, recently real estate has been affected by that.
What about particularly in the semiconductor area, or tech even more broadly? I mean, to what extent have potential sellers in semiconductors and tech been looking forward to inbound investment?
Well, I think, again, the market's been strong across the board. So again, if the Chinese buyers are on the sidelines in the semiconductor industry, I don't think that's going to deflate M&A activity. I think it'll still be just as strong. There are plenty of other buyers. The market for M&A is as strong as it's been in many, many years.